Hi and welcome to Bounty Hunters. Bounty Hunters is an online platform that automates your influencer marketing activities. So if you or your company is a brand or a startup or a service or a product that you would like to spread around social media, this is a great service. So if you use Bounty Hunters, you have access to 40,000, slightly more now, 40,000 influencers from around the world that will share your project's Facebook posts, Twitter tweets on their social media. They will create content on YouTube and write blogs about the service to inform their audience about the product and the brand. They can also join your Facebook groups and pages. They can like your posts, create activity on LinkedIn. Instagram is coming soon as well. So it's an automated platform that allows you to generate hype around your brand or startup. So if I'm an influencer and I go on the website and I'd like to check if there's any new tasks available for me to promote a project, I click here, I go into campaigns, and let's, as an example, take this company called Bamboo. It's a blockchain-based insurance company. So we can see that they have dedicated and allocated about 1.5 million BNB tokens for the platform, and they want influencers to make custom activities, which are YouTube videos and blogs and articles. They'd like them to hype them up on Bitcoin Talk forum. They'd like them to do Facebook activities such as likes, posts and shares, and they want them to also do Twitter. LinkedIn is coming soon. So as an influencer, I go on this page of Bamboo. I can read about the project and look at the links to the website. I can see how many days is left until the campaign runs out. And here I can see a list of the available tasks for me. So I already completed Facebook and Twitter tasks. I can only write a blog, make a video, or I can also translate some bounties and some activities. I can translate some documentation for the project called Bamboo. I can write a white paper, translate it to my language. I can translate the website, make a 2-pager. So all the tasks are here linked to the task rules, so the influencer can see them before they do the work. So if I'm a client, I have access to the page called host.bountyhunters.io. This page is where I do all the setup. So I write all the stuff I want the influencers to see from this back end. This company, for example, is called Ethereum. It ran in 2018. We can add posters, add the links to the social media. Then we have to inform the influencers about the name of the token, what it's worth, if you're paying them in tokens, whether it's an ERC20 compatible token. And next thing we do is we create channels. So we make rules and we organize everything here from the host page in Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, custom, and Bitcoin Talk. So for example, if I look into custom, sorry, let's not go into custom. Let's go, for example, on Facebook. We can see all the rules that we have to type up in order for the followers to not make any mistakes. So once the campaign runs out, we can check the statistics. For example, we can see that for Ethereum, influencers did 172,000 Facebook tasks, almost 100,000 of Twitter tasks. They joined the Telegram channel, about 4,000 people. They made articles and videos, about 539, and they've done some activity on Bitcoin Talk. I can also withdraw from the campaign, download a sheet that will show me all the influencers and how much I have to pay them. And the most important thing is also user activity. As a manager of this campaign, even though the system automatically parses all the activities and checks and verifies them, I still have access to all the work that was done for the project, and I can check it out here in the user activity. Yeah. So that's pretty basic. If you have any questions about bounty hunters, don't be shy, let me know, and have a nice day.